clouds developing. Yep, you're going to have a tornado.
What is it?
415, 387. Tornado is east-southeast of us. Probably going to start seeing debris here real soon. Come up over this hill.
Hang on.
Yeah, it's going to move from right to left over the road. We're real close to it. Okay, multiple vortices crossing the road. See them?
Yep.
Look down at the road. A lot of debris.
Wow.
We're very close. A few hundred yards down the road. Look at the road. Zoom in on the road. Tornado's just past the road. We're only a few hundred yards away from it. Look at that. Look in the field. Look at the multiple vortices. Got inflow jet crossing the road over here. Look at that. Look at it tearing up those trees. You can hear it nicely.
He's mad.
Look at tearing up those trees in there. Okay, I'm gonna go up on this hill. Time now is 4:18 and mile 389. Large, strong tornado off to the northeast, multiple vortices. Look at that. Playing hell with those trees. Look at this big rotating wall cloud. It's going to be a big white cone tornado now. That intense or what? That intense or what? Big tornado. Storm spot, or no, that's a sheriff. Yeah. Look at the trees down there. Oh, there goes the house. Oh, that.
White. Look at that. 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 Look at that.
See it hit that house? Come on, dude, it's alright.
Oh, he's moving.